are many ways one could make money on Pinterest. It is a search engine platform after all, so that means that the user's intent on the platform is more apt to buy compared to other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. So let's talk about the different ways you can make the moolah from Pinterest for your business. Hey guys, it's Tabby with Simple Pin Media, and we are a group of Pinterest experts here to help you effectively market your business on Pinterest. So you are a business with a website, a blog, or you have products that you sell. And if you're smart, you're looking for ways to diversify your income. And of course, Pinterest is already a natural traffic driver, so there must be other ways to make money on Pinterest. And there are. I have 4 main ways one could make money from Pinterest. Let's get into it. First way would be with affiliate marketing. You've kind of always been able to do affiliate marketing. In the past, it was always like your affiliate links in your blog post, and then, that blog post is a pin. But there are new ways to market your affiliates on Pinterest. So like I said before, you could link a pin, a standard pin, to a blog post or article where you talk about your affiliate product, why you like it, how it works in your everyday life, why you recommend it, all of those things. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, I would definitely start on that route. Another way you could market your affiliates on Pinterest would be with idea pins. 2023 is supposed to be a big year on Pinterest because they said they were going to be rolling out the linking ability on idea pins. So this means you can link to your website, like your blog post. So once you have access to the linking ability on your idea pins, you can kind of create micro content on that idea pin. For instance, you might take a tip out of that blog post or a small piece of content out of that entire blog post, give a super valuable piece of advice on the idea pin that then links to your blog post with all of your affiliate links. Basically, you are using the idea pin to entice that user to want more from you and to then go to your blog post and shop your links. And another way you can use idea pins for affiliate marketing would be to product tag. So you can add that affiliate link directly on that idea pin, just as long as you're going through the approved affiliate program that Pinterest has listed. This can change. They slowly add on to this list. If you are part of another affiliate program that is not currently on Pinterest approved list, it might become available in the future. So for our product tagging on idea pins, what I would do if I were you is create an idea pin that is storytelling or real life scenario, whether it be with images and text or video, talking about your product or talking about your expertise, your knowledge, or talking about just advice or tips, whatever it is that you provide for your audience. Capture that in an idea pin, and then as you're talking about whatever affiliate product you have that will make their life better, you can tag that product on that page. And you can tag that product on multiple pages of an idea pin if you have multiple pages in your idea pin. And in fact, I think that would be better if you are, say, talking about a certain planner that is just life altering, helps you plan out your life, your everyday, and you are talking about all of its benefits and why you love it and why they should buy it. And let's say you have like 3 pages on your idea pin. I would tag that planner, your affiliate link, on each of those pages. That way it makes it easier for the user to click on it whenever they are ready. So let's say they are watching you on the first page and then they get to the second page and they decide, yep, I want it. And then they can just click on it rather than only say putting it on the first page and then they have to go back and get it. I mean, it's not that hard, but you want it to be super easy for them to click and buy. The next way you can make money with Pinterest would be with direct purchasing on the app. Now, guys, this is brand new, like, I don't know, late 2022, early 2023, somewhere around there. And it's only if you have a shop with Shopify. This is a brand new partnership that Pinterest and Shopify have. And it's really just a great way to capture those users who are ready to buy. They don't need to click on a pin and read a big long blog post about it. They just want to buy it because they know they like that thing. This is going to make it super easy for them to click and buy. It is a feature on Pinterest that allows them to buy a product without having to leave the app. So if you use Shopify to sell your products, whether it be physical or digital, you would qualify for this in-app feature. There are a few other qualifications that you would need before you can get this feature on your Pinterest account. And they would be your Shopify store has to have a US billing address. This one's kind of weird. Can only have Shopify feeds. So like your feeds that you have in the back end of your Pinterest account where it automatically uploads your products, it should only be Shopify feeds. You have to accept returns. You have to have an email address for customers to be able to contact you and get support. You have to exceed the monthly checkout conversions threshold. You must meet the merchant guidelines, which are linked below. If you know you've met all those qualifications, the steps you can take to get this feature on your account would be to enable the hosted checkout on the Shopify app. Log into your Shopify app, and below the sales channel at the left of your screen, click on Pinterest to open your settings. Then you'll click the shopping tab, and below the hosted checkout, click turn on. And I will definitely have a link for you down below where you can follow all of that information. The next way you could make money on Pinterest is with brand deals. And no, you do not need to be an influencer to make brand deals. You can just be a solid business working with other businesses. Isn't that exciting? It's exciting. Let's say you're a business who primarily delivers services as a way to generate revenue. Are there products that you use in your business to do your job well? You could propose a brand deal with that company and say, hey, I use your products. I'd love to be able to make a deal with you. I will talk about your product, why I love it so much, and I'll share that with my audience on Pinterest through an idea pin, and you can agree upon a fee. Then you just made money. Money, 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 money. A lot of the ways we generate revenue here at SimplePin is through services. I think for example's sake, we could make a brand deal with Canva. We use Canva all the time. So many of us go into our SimplePin account and create PDFs. We create webinar slides. We create pins. We create social media posts. There are so many ways that we use Canva. And it would be a really great partnership with Canva because we talk to a lot of bloggers, a lot of business owners, helping them market their business on Pinterest effectively. And one of the ways that we think an effective way to market your business on Pinterest is to create great pins. How do you do that? Using Canva. I might email Canva, our contacts at Canva, and propose a, let's say, 3-part idea pin promotion, or maybe just one, whatever you say, talking about the different ways that we use Canva, why we love Canva, and provide the links, whether it be a free account access or a pro account access. And behind the scenes, a fee would have been agreed upon, and we would create those idea pins, tag Canva, they would accept it as a partnership, and then there you go. Here's an example of a brand deal between a professional athlete and Gatorade.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Dominique from As Told by Dom, and today I'm partnering up with Gatorade Zero to challenge you guys to a resisted bodyweight circuit. So grab your bands and swipe to check it out. Alright guys, let's get this party started. If you want a little challenge, try to be alright. Now that you've done the first one, it's time to move on to RDL, to bent over row, and this one is alright. So you're probably feeling the burn right now, but we're sweet guys. We are at the home stretch. Suitcases are probably my favorite core exercise to do, and now congrats guys, this is the last and final set of this workout, and I applaud you guys all for making it this. So how'd you guys do? Challenge your inner athlete by going up in resistance. I'm using a heavy resistance band. Also guys, after you do a hard workout, you have to replenish your electrolytes. So I'm drinking Gatorade Zero. All electrolytes, no sugar.
It's not like an ad, you know, it's not like she's just talking about Gatorade. She's giving a valuable tip to her audience with different exercises, and then bringing Gatorade into that idea pin. So once you have a brand deal communicated and solidified, the steps you would do are really simple. It's make your idea pin. And then when you're done creating your idea pin, at the very end on the details page or finishing touches page, you'll see an option that says advanced settings. Click on that. Then you'll see the option to add your paid partnership. And then you'll see the option to tag that company. So then you'll hit publish. It'll be on your account, and it will also prompt the brand that you're working with to accept that tag as a paid partnership, and then it will be an official brand deal on Pinterest. Okay, the last way you could make money on Pinterest that I am talking about today is with driving traffic. Like I said in the beginning, Pinterest has always been a good traffic source, traffic driver for bloggers. That is kind of how it got its start. And it's still that way. You can use Pinterest to drive traffic to your website for ads. You can use Pinterest to drive traffic to your website because you sell products over there. You can use Pinterest to drive traffic to your website because you have affiliate links over there. This is why it's really important to create great pin images. You want those pins to speak to your audience. You want it to grab their attention, to stop their scroll. Your pins need to have few words, but the words that you use need to be direct and exactly what your user might be searching for. Because if they see that pin, they're like, read it, and they'll be like, oh yeah, it's exactly what I'm looking for. Click. The images you use need to be high quality. They need to be good. If they're not good, like there's so many other pins out there that are right beside your pin that are probably going to look better if you do not put a lot of care and attention into it. It's just how it is. So make great pins. Get your audience on Pinterest to click through. That's your goal. And now here's a bit of an indirect way of making money on Pinterest. This is the main reason why we use Pinterest. It's our number one goal on Pinterest, and that is to gain more email subscribers. The leads we get from Pinterest, we want to keep in our own ecosystem. And so for us, that means we want them to be on our email list. So we make pins for our podcast every week. That's our core piece of content. And so we always have a way of signing up for our newsletter or signing up for a freebie that is embedded in that post. Another way that we get email subscribers from Pinterest would be to create freebies or checklists. They might be on a blog post. They might also have their own landing page, and we make pins specifically for that freebie on its own landing page. We actually really love to talk about email marketing using Pinterest. We've been doing this for over 9 years, and I'd say it's probably one of our passions. We actually just created a brand new product all about email marketing using Pinterest. If this is something you want to dive into, learn about, and start implementing in your own business, you should definitely check out our Grow Your Email List workbook. I have it linked below. You guys, it's packed full of information, all the info you need to kind of blend your email marketing and your Pinterest marketing together. And as I like to say, in perfect harmony. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I check that puppy every day, except on weekends. Tabby out.